Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn general knowledge topic birds. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. First question, which is the biggest bird? Options: kiwi, ostrich, parrot, peacock. Correct answer is ostrich. The ostrich is the largest, heaviest and tallest bird in the world. It is about 9 feet tall and 145 kilogram weight. Second question, which bird is the aquatic and flightless? Options: emu, hen, penguin, vulture. Correct answer is penguin. Penguin is an aquatic bird. Their webbed feet and flippers like wings help them to swim in water. 3. Which is the migratory bird? Options: eagle, Siberian crane, pigeon, sparrow. Correct answer: Siberian crane. Some birds move to warmer places in the winter season in search of food and warmth. These are called migratory birds. Such birds like Siberian cranes travel to India in large groups during the winter season, covering a distance of over 6,000 kilometers. 4. Name the bird that mimics humans. Options: seagull, crow, parrot, hen. Correct answer is parrot. Which bird makes its nest on a treetop? Options: sparrow, eagle, parrot, myna. Correct answer is eagle. They are choosing large trees to build their nest. 6. Which bird lays the smallest egg? Options: cuckoo, crow, hummingbird, parrot. Correct answer is hummingbird. We know that hummingbird is the smallest bird. 7. Which bird flies at a low height? Crow, sparrow, crane and kite. Correct answer is sparrow. 8. Which bird can fly long distances? Hen, pigeon, parrot and peacock. Correct answer is pigeon. Pigeon can fly 700 miles in a single day. 9. Which is the perching bird? Options: eagle, hen, crow, swan. Correct answer is crow. Some birds have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. This type of feet help them to hold on to the tree branches very firmly and sit on them. This is called a perching. 10. Which is the smallest bird? Options: emu, sunbird, hummingbird, kingfisher. Correct answer is hummingbird. Next, which is the climbing bird? Options: parrot, duck, eagle and crane. Some birds have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 downwards. This type of feet are suited for climbing trees and clinging on them. Answer: parrot. 12. Which is the praying bird? Options: sparrow, eagle, pigeon, peacock. Correct answer is eagle. Some birds such as eagle and hawk that kills and eats other birds and small animals. 13. Which is the scratching bird? Options: myna, owl, hen, vulture. Some birds have strong legs with sharp and hard claws that help them to dig the ground to bring out worms and insects. Correct answer: hen. 14. Which is our national bird? Option: parrot, pigeon, peacock and penguin. Correct answer is peacock. Peacock is a very colorful and attractive bird. 15. Which bird makes holes in a tree trunk to make its nest? Options: crow, woodpecker, myna and kite. Correct answer is woodpecker. Woodpecker takes a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. This hole is then they used as their nest. 16. Name the bird that can fly backwards. Options: sparrow, crow, hummingbird, myna. Correct answer is hummingbird. Hummingbirds have unique flight abilities than any other birds. They can fly backward, forward and sideways also. 17. Which is the wading bird? Walking through water is called a wading. This type of birds have long legs and spread out toes. Options: duck, crane, swallow, owl. Correct answer is crane. 18. Name the bird which has a chisel-shaped, strong, heavy beak. Options: vulture, penguin, woodpecker, hen. Correct answer is woodpecker. They taps the bark of trees and makes holes into hard tree trunks. 19. Name the bird which has talons. Options: eagle, pigeon, parrot, duck. Correct answer is eagle. Flesh-eating birds like hawk and eagle have strong feet and claws to hold their prey while flying. Their claws are called talons. 20. Name the bird which makes a cup-shaped nest in bushes. Options: bulbul, tailor bird, kiwi, ostrich. Correct answer is bulbul. 21. Which bird's nest is called eyrie? Options: flamingo, eagle, crow, owl. Correct answer is eagle. Eyrie is a large nest of an eagle or other bird of prey. 22. Name the bird which has webbed feet. Options: crane, duck, kingfisher, crow. Correct answer is duck. These webbed feet help them to swim in water. 23. Name the bird which makes a nest on the ground with stones and pebbles. Options: vulture, eagle, penguin, parrot. Correct answer is penguin. Penguin collects pebbles and stones to make a nest on the ground. 24. Which is the tallest flying bird? Options: tailor bird, sarus crane, penguin, bulbul. Correct answer is sarus crane. It is the tallest flying bird in the world, standing 152 to 156 cm tall with a wingspan of 240 cm. 25. Which bird is the symbol of peace? Options: parrot, peacock, white dove, pigeon. Correct answer is white dove. 26. What is the study of birds called? Options: anthropology, ornithology, ecology and botany. Correct answer is ornithology. Ornithology is a branch of zoology dealing with the study of birds. In which state Kumarakom bird sanctuary is located? Options: Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Karnataka. Correct answer is Kerala. Bird sanctuaries are built to protect birds and their species. 28. Which bird has a long beak and large throat pouch to catch prey? Options: hen, pelican, crow, kingfisher. Correct answer is pelican. Pelican used their throat pouch to catch fish. 29. Which is the fastest swimming bird? Duck, swan, penguin, kingfisher. Correct answer is penguin. Penguin wings are paddle-like fibers that are used for swimming. 30. Which is the fastest flying bird? Options: peregrine falcon, swan, sparrow, eagle. Correct answer is peregrine falcon. It has long, broad and pointed wings. 31. Which bird has long and slender pointed beak to suck nectar from flowers? Options: crane, sunbird, sparrow, parrot. Correct answer is sunbird. Hummingbirds also have slender pointed beak. 32. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? Options: duck, ostrich, vulture, swan. Correct answer: ostrich. Ostrich egg is weighing about 1.5 kilogram. 33. The mass movement of birds from a colder place to a warmer place. Options: incubation, migration, hibernation, estivation. Correct answer is migration. Example for migratory birds: Siberian crane, Arctic tern, etc. 34. Which bird is a scavenger? Options: ostrich, parrot, vulture, crow. Correct answer is vulture. Vulture eat flesh of dead animals. They have strong eyesight and sense of smell to locate dead animals. 35. Which of the following are absent in birds? Options: beak, wings, teeth, tail. Correct answer is teeth. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.